Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you have read the title. Today we are going to see how we can easily organize earrings. Managing earrings is really a tough job for girls. Firstly, if you are mad about earrings and love to collect different kind of earrings, just like me, please give me a high five. Please, come on. I used to have a lot of earrings. Whatever you're seeing right now, it is, too little comparing to my earlier collection. So the method I'm going to show you guys now, I have been following this method since years. Yesterday I was just decluttering my space, then I just got the idea. Why not share this idea with you guys? Then I was like, okay, let me shoot it. So that's how I'm making this video. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe. Let's get into the video. So first we need a knitted cloth. I'm using my old chunni. You can use any knitted cloth as per your wish. And I have a pipe. You can use stick also. It works fine. So, and I tied the pipe with thread like this. These are the things we need to organize our earrings. So let's see how I am going to do. So now I have made the cloth and the pipe like this. Is how it looks, and I'm going to fill up with the rest of the earrings over there. Ta-da! Now it will be easier to choose what earrings to wear, and also it will be easier to hang, and you will not lose your earring first of all. Yay! Problem fixed. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please give it a big fat thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below, and please share and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Until then, tata, bye bye. Love you all.